Hey there, welcome to UseArtemis. In this short video, I will show you everything you can do with our app. Let's start with the LinkedIn Chrome extension. The LinkedIn extension allows you to reveal contact details of LinkedIn profiles and import LinkedIn search results. Click on the Use Our LinkedIn extension to install it. Once it's done, open a LinkedIn profile and launch the UseArtemis extension. As you can see, the app found emails and phone number for this user. Click on Reveal to reveal those contact details. Once revealed, leads will be saved on your account. Let's jump to the second feature of the Chrome extension, which is for me the most interesting one, the LinkedIn import. Make a search on LinkedIn, then click on People. Launch the UseArtemis extension. Give a name to your import. In my case, I will name it Outbound Marketing. Select the number of page you want to import. I want to import 5 pages. Then click on Start the import. Import LinkedIn search results may take a few minutes. Once the import is over, you will find it on your dashboard on LinkedIn Imports. And the best is yet to come. You can enrich this import with emails and phone numbers in just one click on Enrich. Give a name to your enriched list and click on Enrich. Enrichment usually only takes a few seconds. Go to Lists and selected your newly created list to see your leads enriched with emails and phone numbers. UseArtemis also have a built-in prospecting platform that allows you to search for leads with contact informations. Let's search for people who work at FSUMO. As you can see, UseArtemis found 19 results. I can select them and add them to a new list that I will call FSUMO. I can then find my new list of leads on the Lists tab. And as every list, I can export it to CSV. UseArtemis also have another amazing feature called bulk enrichment. The bulk enrichment features allows you to upload a CSV file that contains LinkedIn profiles URL and in return get a list of corresponding profiles enriched with emails and phone numbers. For this example, I will use this CSV file that contains several leads information and LinkedIn profiles URL. Let's upload it to the bulk enrichment tool. I click on Start Enrichment. I give a name to my list. In this case, I will call it Enriched Bulk. And I click on Start Bulk Enrichment. The bulk enrichment will be processed in the background. It can take a few minutes depending on the number of users you want to enrich. You can find your bulk enriched list with emails and phone numbers on the Lists tab and then export them to CSV.
Thanks for watching. Check product link in video description.